Hello friends, in this tutorial you are going to learn how to draw arc in PHP. So let us start with creating the blank image. So first I will write here $im equals to image create, and inside it I will pass the width and height to be 300, 300, close the bracket. Or in case the PHP fails to initialize the graphics, I just want it to display the message, so I'll write here or die is within the bracket. I'll write cannot initialize graphics, close the bracket. Now first let me create the background color or yellow. So I'll create one variable $back underscore color equals to image color allocate, and within the bracket I'll pass the parameters $im, 255, 255, 120. Close the bracket. So now let us again create one green colored with the variable $green is equals to image color allocate, and within the brackets pass the parameter green to be 255 color. So I'll write here $im, 0, 255, 0. Then next I am going to make use of one function called as image arc. Now this particular function, it takes number of parameters. So the first parameter is our usual image resource. Second is the x parameter, x coordinate. Then next is the y coordinate. Then next parameter is width. Next is height. Then next is start angle. Then next is end angle of the arc. And finally is the color given to the arc. Now let us take one sample example how to assign the values. So I'll write here first image arc, and within it I will pass $im, comma. Now say suppose I'll give the value of xy coordinates as 70, 50, and say suppose I'll pass the width and height to be 40, 60. Then say suppose I'll give the start angle to be 0, end angle to be 90. Then finally I'll suppose give here the color green. Close the bracket. So this will draw the arc on our yellow background, and to save this image on hard disk I'll use my image png function. I'll pass the parameters $im, comma. Let us name this file as arcimage.png, and after this write down image destroy, pass the parameter $im, and to display this image in web browser I will write here echo, within double quotation I'll write here img src is equals to arcimage.png. Now save this file with the name, say suppose arc. Let us go to web browser to run this particular file. Go there and check the output. So see here a green color arc has been drawn. Now let us play with the different angles and coordinates to get a fair idea of how the arcs are drawn in the PHP. So say suppose I will now use the xy coordinates to be, say suppose 120, 50, and other parameters I'll keep same as it is, and I'll change my end angle to be 180, and I will finally write the green color. Save this and let us again go to web browser to check the output. So you can clearly see here how the arc of 180 degree looks like. Now coming back again, let us try with two or more values. So say suppose now I will use the values 170, 50, and here I will now change my end angle to 270. Save this, go to web browser and check the output. So 270 degree it looks like this. Then coming back again, let us try for now 360. So make here 360, change the x and y coordinates to 220, 50 and end angle to be 360, and finally the green color. Save this and go back to the web browser to check the output. So see here, using the image arc you can also create a circle, like we have used the image ellipse method to draw the circle. Now this particular function image arc created an arc which was empty. Now in case you are interested in drawing a filled arc, then there is one more function in PHP called as image filled arc. Now this particular function, it takes 9 parameters. So let us check them one by one. So initial 8 parameters are as it is, like that of image arc, and finally last parameter is a style parameter. Now this style parameter takes different values. These values are: first is the img arc pi, this is the commonly used. Second is the img arc chord. Third is img arc no fill, and last is the img arc edged. img arc pi produces a rounded edge. img arc chord just connects the starting and ending angles with straight lines. img arc no fill indicates the arc or chord to be outlined and not filled. And last, img arc edge used together with img arc no fill indicates that the beginning and ending angle should be connected to the center. So this is just creation of the outline. So in case I am interested in creating a filled arc, I will go with the option img arc pi. So let me take one example for this. So first I'll write image filled arc and I'll give the values. I'll take the same values as I have given in the earlier non-filled arc. Only thing I will now add here is the last parameter img arc pi. Save this and let us go to browser. Just I have changed the y coordinates here so that it does not overlap with the already drawn arc. So let us check the output here. So in the web browser it shows a filled arc. Now coming back, let us take the same examples, just change the coordinates and just add the img arc pi. Make the changes, save it, and let us go back to the web browser to check the output and run our PHP file. So check out the output. So see here, the unfilled arc and the filled arc are drawn on the yellow background. So this is how you can draw the arc and draw the filled arc using the two functions image arc and image filled arc. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to draw strings on a particular image.